Hey, food lovers! Today I'm taking you on a magical culinary journey to Morocco. Get ready to uncover the secrets of the mouth-watering Moroccan tagine. Hi, I'm Mimi, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, we're diving into the rich and aromatic world of Moroccan tagine. Imagine the warm, exotic spices filling your home with their irresistible scent. First, let's meet our main characters, the spices. We have cinnamon, cumin, ginger, and turmeric. These spices are the heart and soul of our tagine. Now, let's not forget our trusty sidekicks, garlic, onions, and a bit of saffron. These ingredients will make our tagine pop with flavor. Next, we need our star, the meat. It could be chicken, lamb, or even beef. For a vegetarian twist, use chickpeas or hearty root veggies. The choice is yours. First, we sauté our onions and garlic until they're golden and fragrant. Then, we add our spices, letting them bloom in the heat. Can you smell that? It's like a spice bazaar in here. Now we add our meat or veggies, stirring to coat them in that beautiful spice mix. Add some broth or water and bring it all to a simmer. This is where the magic happens, folks. We cover our tagine and let it cook slowly, allowing all those flavors to meld together. This is a dish that teaches patience, but trust me, it's worth the wait. After an hour or two, depending on your ingredients, your tagine is ready. The meat is tender, the flavors are deep, and the aroma is simply irresistible. Serve your tagine with some couscous or fresh bread, and garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley for that pop of color. And there you have it, authentic Moroccan tagine. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful adventure. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment so we can feel you all. Until next time, keep exploring and cooking.